Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace this Jeep key fob battery used for different years, different models. Yours may look a little bit different, maybe 4 buttons, 5 buttons, maybe 2 buttons, but it's the same process, very easy process to replace the battery. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. So first thing we do, we have to pull the emergency key out, okay? So we pull this button to the left, right here to the left, and here comes the emergency key. Now what we have to do is to open the key fob. As you can see, there is this slot right here, okay? This one right here. So what I do, I push and I pull up. Once again, push the key and I pull up. So push and pull up. We'll do it again. No need to apply a lot of pressure. It's very easy. I push and I pull up. Now, as you can see, we have the battery, which, as I said, CR2032. This is a good battery, so I will use this one. We just pull it out, just like that. Okay, now we put it back in. We take the cover, put the cover back, and everything, make sure back in place, and put the emergency key back, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. All good. Let us know what you think. Thank you.